Discover how complete newbies are earning $250 to $5,000 every single day. They don't have to sell anything. They don't have to create any sales videos. They don't have to write any emails. Everything is 100% automated. It's 100% duplicatable, and you can be set up within the next hour. Hey guys, Dylan Afazio here with the Six Figure Marketers Club, and today I'm going to be revealing a simple, done-for-you, automated system which allows you to earn instant commissions of $250 to $5,000. Yes, this is real, and I'm going to walk you through how simple this system is. I'm going to break everything down for you in the next 10 minutes or less, so stay tuned and bear with me. My voice might be a little crackly. I'm just getting over a cold here, but let's jump right into it. Alright, so the main purpose of this video is I'm going to be showing you everything about this system so that you guys have all the information that you need to go ahead and make an educated decision if it's something that you want to go ahead and set up. Now, I have tested this both with free traffic and I have tested it with paid traffic, and it converts on both, okay? I went out and sent a $40 solo ad, and I was able to earn a $250 commission within 24 hours of sending out that solo ad, okay? So very, very powerful stuff. I want you guys to pay very close attention to what I'm about to show you. So the page that you're looking at right now is the main landing page for this system. Now this landing page converts pretty good right now. I am testing it, I am tweaking it. This is actually version 2 of the landing page, but the cool thing is I am testing, I am tweaking everything, and by simply setting up this system, which I'm going to show you how easy it is here in just a moment, by simply setting up this system, whenever I go ahead and update this, or whenever I go ahead and add new emails, which I plan on actually going out there and adding a 30-day follow-up, which the system will send up automatically. Currently there's about, I think, 7 or 8 emails in there right now, which is more than enough for anybody to get started. Like I said, this is a brand new release system, but what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be adding anywhere from 30, maybe even more emails. As I keep writing them, I'm just going to keep adding them. But this is a very powerful system, guys, and it's very newbie friendly. You don't need any experience because you can simply copy what I already have created and what's already working for me, okay? So what this system is, let me just go here. So this is the landing page. Whenever you send somebody to this system, they're all going to land on this landing page. We might have multiple different variants, but for right now, we're just going to use this as an example. So we'll actually go in here. We'll enter in our email. Okay, so the system is very, very simple. It's 3 steps, okay? Step number 1 is where we're going to be going over the main income stream, okay? So this is where we're going to be able to generate cash flow by promoting this system. Now, the way that we're going to be able to generate cash flow is by leveraging a platform called the Fearless Mama. So if I log into the back office of the Fearless Mama, currently I'm qualified at the $250 level. By the end of this week, I will be qualified at the $1,000 level, and then just as I continue to earn commissions, as those commissions continue to hit my bank account, I will be fully positioning myself, leveraging the profit of the system, okay? So I want you guys to make that very clear. You don't have to go out there and drop $5,000 out of pocket. What you can actually do is you can go out there, maybe you have, $1,200 or something like that, and you want to get the first 2 tiers, which is a good idea, right? If you're going to be starting to send high amounts of traffic, which I plan on doing now that I know the system converts, right? Now that I know myself the system converts, I can go out there and turn the dial up on the traffic, on the paid traffic, and start generating some insane cash flow, because it does not matter the time of day. This system right here, this sales video, these 3 sales videos are earning me income from 2 different income streams, which I'm going to go over in this video, but they're earning me 2 different income streams, and one of them pays out instantly, okay? So one of the biggest things, one of the biggest problems with online marketing is the time it takes for some programs to pay you. Whether you're doing CPA, affiliate marketing, network marketing, whatever it might be, normally you're going to be waiting anywhere from 14 to maybe even 60 days. It depends on the business, but that is a big halt in any chance of scaling your business if you don't already have a source of cash flow. So the main goal of this system is to generate cash flow, okay? The program pays out instantly, so you don't have to worry about, okay, when am I going to be able to get my funds? When can I set up a traffic campaign? You can literally get access to your funds, and within 2 to 3 business days later, it's in your bank account. Or you could just simply, you can set it up through PayPal or Stripe or whatever you want, but you can literally go out there and just use the funds that are in those accounts to go out there and buy traffic, okay? So the instant commission side of this is very powerful for business. You want to have something that's generating you cash flow so that you can use other people's money, right, to get into these high ticket programs where you can start earning an instant, $1,000 commission, or actually, $750, because you do earn the 80%, 20% on these back end offers, okay? So that is the main income stream, okay? Now, the Fearless Mama, I'm not going to go in depth into that in this video. I just want to show you guys the automated side of it. But in this platform itself, there's like 10 to 20 hours just for the 250 level, right? Let's check out all of these webinars. So you're getting all of the webinar replays. You're going to learn how to do solo ad traffic. There's some more Facebook traffic in there. There's tons and tons of value inside of this system, and that's just for the 250 level, okay? Now, step number 2 of the system. Now, remember, step number 1 is simply setting up our instant commission system, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, we're going to set up our Fearless Mama, and then in step number 2, I'm going to actually show you how to copy this funnel. So if you remember at the start of this video, we were sitting on a landing page where we entered in our email, and then that sent us to this page, okay? So what you're actually going to get is you're going to get the entire system. Now, you're going to get the emails that send out automatically. You don't have to worry about anything like that. The system is 100% set up. All you have to do is watch this, video, right? And I'm going to walk you through the process of how to actually set your own system up. And it's literally as simple as copying this one code into the back office and adding your affiliate links, okay? It's very simple. It's so brain dead easy. Even my father could do it, and he has trouble checking his emails sometimes. So it does not matter how tech savvy you are, the system is very easy to set up, okay? Now, the third and final step, every single member, whether they join under you, whether they join under your teammate, whether they join under your teammate's teammate, it does not matter, okay? The way that I've set this system up is I want to give everybody the ability to earn instant commissions, right? Now, the powered lead system, which is the tool that we use to set this up. Now, this is a tool that you pay for every single month, which means you earn a commission from this every single month, okay? Now, with only 100 to 200 members, you could have enough residual income from just the powered lead system in itself to go ahead and quit your job, okay? So this is something that you want to take seriously and you want to focus on, and you want to take action daily, okay? Even if you're only getting one person per day, right? In the next 6 to 12 months, you could have enough members paying you every single month to go ahead and quit your job. And that's not even including how much money those one member every single day would pay you if they joined even just the $250 level, okay? Because if we open up the calculator, let me just put this into perspective, 250 times 30, right? Guess how much that is? $7,500, okay? So with one sale a day, you can have $7,500 paying you every single month. Now, times that by 12, okay, that's almost $100,000 just from income stream number 1 by simply getting one sale a day. Now, imagine if you were going out there and you were only spending, like I said, I spent $40, right? So 250, let me just see here. 250 minus $40, that we all know what that is, $210, okay? So I made $210 profit from simply sending out one solo ad, and my emails haven't even gone out. Like I told you before, we have 30 days or more of emails going out promoting this system, sending people back to this system. One of the things I learned from my mentors is You want to keep people in the rabbit wheel. You want to keep sending them back to the offer, because most people 9 times out of 10 are not going to join the system, not going to purchase a product the first time they see it. All right, tell me, one time, unless you heard from, somebody that you very, very, strongly know, like, and trust, you're 9 times out of 10 not going to buy the product right away. Okay, so that's where the emails and that's where the automation of the system comes into play. Now, like I was telling you, it does not matter who goes ahead. Everybody that joins our team, whether it be under you, whether it be under your teammate, your teammate's teammate, they're going to get access to the system, which means they're going to get access to my free Facebook marketing method. Now, this free Facebook marketing method has allowed me to earn, over $30,000 with high ticket programs in itself. Okay, so this is a free Facebook marketing method that you want to pay very close attention to, because this is going to set you apart from profiting and not profiting. Okay, if you go out there and you're spending a crap load of money on paid advertising, even though, as I just showed you before, right, we went out there, spent $40 on ads, but it's not going to work like that every time, right? Sometimes you'll buy traffic and it just won't be the greatest traffic, and that's just the trial of error of testing out different vendors in the paid traffic world. Okay, but the cool thing about free traffic is, yes, it takes a little bit of work to set up. Yes, it takes 10 to 20 minutes per day to maintain, but it's a very simple process because you're building your personal brand and people are wanting to work with you. Okay, if you remember what I said before, right, you're not going to buy a product instantly unless you know, like, and trust the person that you're buying it from. Right? When I joined this program, when I joined the $250 program, my mentor Ben Martin, he shared that program with me, and I know, like, and trust him. I know how much money he's earned me. I know how much value he's brought to my business. So when Ben says, "Hey Dylan, you need to jump on this," I don't even ask any questions. I jump on it, right? Because I know that if he's taking his time out of his day to, share something with me, it's going to provide value to my life because he's provided value to my life before. Okay, so that's going to be the main thing that you guys want to focus on, and I'm going to teach you how to do that in this free training. Okay, now inside of our private Facebook group, you're going to get personal access to me. Okay, you're going to get access to the 6-Figure Marketers Club, right? And if you guys want access to as well, you can get access to the Mailing for Money Mastermind, which is Ben Martin, my mentor's mastermind group as well. Okay, so we have lots of support here. We have lots of community growth. All right, I just want to give you guys a quick little brief, overview of this system. And if you guys want to get started, simply click the button below this video wherever you're watching it. It might be above the video or whatever, but click the button, join, set your system up, and once you've done so, shoot me a message on Facebook. I look forward to connecting with you guys. And let me know inside of this group so that I can give you guys a welcome, because I want to welcome everybody to this group. I want everybody to have massive success with this. All you have to do is follow a simple formula, and I lay everything out for you very, very easily on this page. Okay, so make sure, click the button below, enter in your email, get over to this page, watch every single video, and implement the methods I teach you, and you're going to start earning some instant commissions. Alright guys, Dylan DeFazio here with the 6-Figure Marketers Club. I want to thank you for watching. If you guys are on YouTube, please make sure, give this a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and once you've set up your system, let me know in the comment section below what you guys thought of the training. If I didn't cover anything, also let me know in the comments below so that I can go ahead, maybe refilm the video, and make sure that I make it as easy as possible for everybody to get started. Alright? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys inside of the Facebook group. Have a great day.